How to fix authentication failed or can't connect to EA server on Battlefield 6. So this has been a common issue whether you're playing a single player mode on Battlefield 6, because if you are going to be playing a single player on Battlefield 6, you still need to connect to services. So for you to be able to troubleshoot this, is just open up any working web browser on your end and simply type in EA server status. So this is an alternative way of checking out directly from EA if there is no maintenance that is currently ongoing on Battlefield 6. It says online, so it should be working. Now close this, and all you have to do is just keep on hitting up the reconnect button on Battlefield 6 dashboard or home page on the game for you to be able to recon. So that's it. That's how you fix authentication failed or can't connect to EA servers on Battlefield 6.